I got a lot of comments on my channel. After that, finally, I decided to create a video on this topic. The topic is none other than grammar. A lot of people, they ask me, is it important to learn grammar for spoken English? And if it is important, then Anita, tell us, what should we learn in grammar? Then, in today's video, I'm going to share with you what I learned as a beginner so that I can speak this language properly. Everything I'm going to share with you. So if you want to know, stay connected this video until it ends. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. First thing, my friend, if your question is it important to learn grammar? Then here is answer. If you don't have environment, if you don't know anything, then for you, learning grammar is uttermost important. But if you have environment, no need. Either you learn grammar or not, you are going to speak English very fluently. You must have heard from so many people that spoken English is completely different from written English. Yes, it is. But the thing is that if you don't have environment and you are completely dependent on listening only and reading, then I would say that it is going to take a lot of time to become a fluent speaker. So are you ready to give a lot of time? You might be saying, no, I don't have a lot of time. I need to become a fluent speaker as soon as possible. So my friend, you should know grammar. And if you are a beginner, this video can help you a lot. Why? Because as a beginner, I had a strong support of these points. When I was a truly beginner, I didn't know what should I learn in grammar, but I had started learning from tenses. The first thing I did or I learned in grammar was tenses. Okay, so after completing tenses, and I was not very good at that one, I was even making a lot of mistakes. So then I decided to learn other topic. Then I found learning model was good for me. So first topic you should cover as a beginner. आपको क्या लर्न करना चाहिए as a beginner? अगर आपके पास environment नहीं है, पहले आपको tenses जानना चाहिए. Okay, learn tenses. Afterward, second point, learn models. Okay, I learned models. Afterward, I found that while reading books and while reading newspaper, a lot of active voice and passive voice was coming. You know, how were that sentences? Those sentences were like that the patient has been sent to the hospital. I wasn't able to comprehend the thing. And you know what was the reason? Because my passive voice was not clear. So my friend, if you want to understand everything, you need to cover a lot of part of grammar. But in which case, if you don't have environment. So first thing, learn tenses. Second thing, models. And third thing, passive voice. Afterward, it took a lot of time. I was busy in learning this thing, and afterward I started speaking practice also. And you know what? When I started speaking practice, the thing which I had learned in grammar, I wasn't able to speak very good way. I mean, I wasn't able to speak it correctly. Just like, I used to say, I am, eat. I was making a lot of mistake because spoken English is different from, I would say that, written English, right? So I could write, but I wasn't able to speak. This might be happening with you also. You must be good at reading, writing, but you might be not good at speaking. But don't worry, my friend. After this video, you are going to get some important point and go and work on them. And afterward, focus on your speaking. As many hours as you could give, just give for your spoken English. Okay, so let's once again come on the topic. I guess I had shared with you three things: tenses, models, passive voice. Afterward, what did I learn? I learned causative. The uses of let, make, help, have. I learned that topic. And afterward, conditional. And to be honest, it was very hard for me to understand conditional because I had never ever learned from any teacher. Okay, so it took a lot of time to understand conditional for me. And after learning conditional, I learned preposition and conjunction. So all together, I think I covered 7 topics. And how did I learn them? Did I buy any book? Did I join any spoken classes? No. I didn't join any spoken classes for learning those grammar related topics. Then what did I do? I watched a lot of videos because my friend, a lot of teachers are available. You can cover this topic, you can learn, you can make notes and practice on them. And you won't believe this topic will help you if you don't have environment. Because I didn't only examine it or experience it. Even my friend also, they also learned grammar. Afterward, they came and started practicing, their speaking practice. In your case also, if you want to learn this language fast way without wasting a lot of time, then my friend, go and try to learn these 7 points in grammar. And I believe that this topic will help you to understand English better way, to speak English better way. See, when our things are not clear, grammar is not clear, or somewhere we are confused, we end up making unnecessarily mistake, I would say, due to lack of confidence or fear or overthinking that I may go wrong, I may make mistakes. So why it happens? Because we think our grammar is not okay, or we haven't learned enough grammar. But my friend, if you learn these 7 topics, I believe that you are going to feel confident. And in my case, no one was there to tell me that what you should learn. That is why it took a lot of time to cover those all topics. Okay, in your case, here I am telling you, you have to cover 7 topics. First one, tenses, modals, passive voice, causative, conditional, and then after, preposition and conjunction. These are going to help you to speak English fluently and correctly and effectively. If you don't know these kinds of topics in grammar, moreover you don't have environment, my friend, you are going to make silly mistakes. Learning grammar means what? You are going to be aware of all kinds of verbs, right? Just like when we are going to use V1, V2, V3, V4, So, how can we learn these things? Once we learn grammar teaches us how to use verb, where to use verb. And if we know, it means that we are going to speak good way. But as I told you initially, that spoken English is completely depends on speaking practice. So the more you are going to speak it, the more you are going to listen and read, the better you are going to become. Don't only rely on grammar. I've seen many people, they have good knowledge in grammar. However, if you listen their English, or if they might utter any sentences, you would be thinking, oh my God, his English is not good. They have perfect knowledge in grammar. If you give them any translation related things, they can translate it. But coming to speaking, their pronunciation would be not good because they are not in the habit of speaking this language, right? So if you want to speak this language, you need to work on everything. Initially, work on grammar. But I think that it is not going to take a lot of time to learn grammar. In my case, I wasn't aware. That is why I took approximately 1 year. because gradually I was learning the things. In your case, you don't have to wait for 1 year and all. Just go and learn these 7 topics if you think that your grammar is not clear. So if you know, then you are going to feel confident, and I think you will not have doubt anymore that whether I'm speaking right, wrong, or what. And you can speak English confidently and fluently. Because somewhere this spoken English is depend on our confidence also, right? I've seen many people, they have knowledge, perfect grammar knowledge, they have a lot of vocabulary, they even know how to speak, but when time occurs, they can't even utter a sentence also, due to lack of confidence, due to lack of fear and all. So you have to work all together on everything. And how can we gain confidence if we keep speaking, right? So you have to focus on everything. Focus on grammar as a beginner. And I believe that if you grow in this language, I mean, if you learn things, then you will not have need of learning grammar always, because once you learn little bit this topic, afterward, if you start speaking practice, they are going to come frequently in your speaking, and unknowingly, without paying heed, you are going to learn things every single day. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you got your answer. Did you? If not, then once again I'll make another video on this topic and little different way, right? So I hope this video is helpful for you. If it is, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.